It's the Cobry Cafetiere of cloud knowledge. Oh yeah.
There's an awful lot that you can do with Google Forms. Like ultimately, it's for data collection, and allowing for easier data collection.
When you write the question, it uses AI to suggest the best form of question, so like multiple choice or drop down or text, depending on the question you ask.
We can use images in questions, but we can actually add videos as well.
The preview option in Google Forms, especially great for when you're actually creating one. Essentially just an option that you choose. You click on that and it essentially just shows you what whoever you're going to send the form to, it shows you what their view of that form is going to look like.
If they're expecting you to have year of birth, something like that, Google automatically is going to say, okay, this should be a number. So a user would then not be allowed to type in any text in there except if it's numerics.
The kind of if this then that features for basically whatever answer you put to a question will determine which section you then jump onto next, so that if there's a particular section of the form which is not going to be relevant to you, then it will basically skip past that.
You can have a form that says, okay, give this a score from 1 to 10 for all these things. That goes away into a spreadsheet, and then it can populate a graph or a data studio.
Getting email notifications for when responses are received, which is a really nice way to kind of track things and use it as like a trigger action. So if the form is submitted, that sets off a chain of other events. Once you start getting your head around the possibilities of what can be done with forms, it does open up a whole other ways of working and internal business processes and ways of engaging and interacting with your customer base as well. So